In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. I read a beautiful thing long, long ago in the book of Tom Hopkins, American Sales Trainer. The name of the book was The Official Guide to Success, and this book was not upon the sales, not upon the sales training. Rather, it was about the general life. There in that book, he writes, there in that book, he writes, expect good and get good. It is a closed loop, not easy to understand, not easy to explain. He wrote at that time in 1987. The book was written somewhere in the early 80s, maybe. Now, at this point, my attitude till now about the people was obviously guessing, speculating first, keep watching them, keep listening them, keep watching them, what the people are doing, what the people are found saying, and then doing the same somewhat similar thing, or at least if they are very bad, then disconnecting with those people, never ever allowing them to get closer to you, or hating them, having a kind of disrespect for them in the mind and the heart of ours. This was my attitude till now. While now I have changed my attitude, what I have observed is, what I have observed is, what I have experienced is that what we should be doing actually, we should always have a good image of someone else, always a good image of someone else, always a kind of respect for them in our mind and heart, always. It does not mean that we don't need to take care. It does not mean that we don't need to be careful. Actually, we do need every sort of care to be taken. We must be careful, we must be cautious, but being careful and cautious does not necessarily mean that we need to disrespect them, that we should not be entertaining any sort of respect for them in our mind and heart. As a matter of fact, we need to have a kind of respect for those people. We need to have a kind of respect for those people in our mind and heart. In our mind and heart, we need to have a kind of respect for those people. And as for the cares and cautions are concerned, every caution you deem necessary must be done. Every care which you think is important must be taken care of, should never ever be should never ever be overlooked, but at the same time being respectful, having a kind of respect, even a bit of love for those people in our mind and heart. It is not something bad at all, it is rather quite good. It is quite good, and it actually helps us a lot. It helps us a lot in getting the better, in getting a relatively good package from those people. It helps us a lot. Why? Because whatever we think and feel about someone else, Actually, we do treat them accordingly, whether no matter how diplomatic we are trying to become. Yet if at all we don't have a respect for someone else in our mind and heart, anytime every time I come across, you come across with those people, we will not be able to give them the proper respect. We will not be able to treat them well. And if at all we are unable to treat them well, to respect them, what does happen? They do come to know that we don't like them, we don't respect them, and they people, someone else does think that if at all they don't have a kind of respect for me in their mind and heart, how come how come I respect those people? How come I take care of those people? How come I can, you can say, treat them better? So we can't get the best out of those people. We fail to succeed a kind of a soft corner for us in their mind and heart. And once we are not having a kind of soft corner in the heart and mind of someone else, how come will they treat us in a better manner? They will not be doing it. I think it is a very good discovery. Whatever I read long ago, I just came to understand it now. So I think so. I think so. It is in a way better. It is in a way necessary and important to create a kind of good image and a kind of respect for the people in our mind and in our heart. We should not be disrespectful toward those people at all. Never ever be disrespectful. Never ever be disrespectful towards the people, because it is something which is very bad for we ourselves. If at all we do think that it is only the bad being done with those people, and I have nothing to do, nothing to be concerned of, nothing to be worried about. As a matter of fact, it is a kind of issue, it is a kind of matter we need to worry, we need to take care, we need to be careful and cautious. If at all we want a good respect, good treatment from the people, if at all we want to create a kind of soft corner for us in the heart and mind of the other people, no matter how bad they are, no matter whatever the type of people they are, I think we must be very careful. We must be very much cautious, and we should be respecting them. We should be having a kind of good image in our mind and heart about those people. We need to cultivate a kind of respect for those people, and also taking care as for the cares and cautions are concerned. I think it must be done. It must not be overlooked. It must not be neglected, because neglecting it cost us very dearly. Thank you.